Hi boys and girls. I'm going to start this unit on earth science with showing you about the moon's phases, and I've posted a few things on there that you needed to watch a video, but I'm just going to talk about it a little bit more. So this is a picture of how the moon does one revolution around the earth, and it takes about 30 days. So it takes about 1 month for this to happen. So if you see right here, this is called a new moon. If you're standing here, you only see the shadow. And as it makes its revolution, we see different phases of the moon. And when it's in this position, we see a full moon, and then it keeps on going and we start over again. So every 30 days. So I want to show you this page. This page is kind of like, it's September of 2013, but it kind of goes through this every month. So you will start with your new moons, then you'll see a little bit more. A lot of people think that's a banana. This is called a crescent moon. So it'll go through that crescent, and you'll see, and this is just the sunlight that's reflecting off the moon that we see. Then you will get in the next week, you'll see the first quarter moon. And pretty soon the moon is in a spot. Let me go back here. So the moon is in a spot. This is the first quarter moon. So you'll see about actually only a quarter of it. You might think it looks like half, but it's really not. And then you're going to get to where you're seeing more and more and more on the way to the full moon. So the first quarter, and then this is called a gibbous moon. So if you'll notice, it's getting more lit up by the sun, more and more and more, and then finally you'll see a full moon. Then it starts to decrease, because at this point, there's your full moon area. So here's how it's revolving around the earth. Then it's going to start to go the opposite and come back into a new moon again. So if you look here, as soon as you have the full moon, look at the different. Now the shadow was on the left side. Now the shadow is on the right side. And then this is called a waning gibbous. That means it's going away. So there's your gibbous, 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 gibbous. And then you go to the last quarter moon, which is in this position. And you're getting your way to your new moon again. And so it starts the waning crescent. So as you see, the waning crescent, and then what will happen is the next month it'll start with a new moon again.